Good morning, dear students. In a previous lecture, we have discussed about the general equation of straight line ax plus by plus c equal to 0 and different form of ax plus by plus c equal to 0. Today, we are going to discuss about the distance of a point from a line. Okay, students, we find the distance of a point from a line in a Cartesian plane. We suppose that x o x dash y o y dash is the Cartesian plane. Draw a line ax plus by plus c equal to 0. Take a point P whose coordinate is the x1 comma y1. Drawn a perpendicular to a line L from the point P M Q and R. We find the distance PM. PM is the distance of a point from a line L. Okay, students, we join the RP and PQ. Okay, students, here we find the coordinate of point Q and point R. Okay, let L ax plus by, let L ax plus by plus c equal to 0 be a equation of line L and P x1 comma y1 be a point in Cartesian plane. Then we find the distance of PM. Okay, students, first of all we find the coordinate of point Q. Point Q lies on the x-axis, that is y coordinate of this point will be 0. Okay, then we put y equal to 0 in ax plus by plus c equal to 0. This implies that ax 0 plus c equal to 0. This implies that ax equal to minus c. This implies that x equal to minus c by a. That means the coordinate of point Q is the minus c by a comma 0. Similarly we find coordinate of point R. Okay, students, put x equal to 0 in ax plus by plus c equal to 0. This implies that 0 plus by plus c equal to 0. This implies that y equal to minus c by b, minus c by b. Hence, the coordinate of point r is the 0 comma minus c by b. Okay, students. Take a triangle PQR. The coordinate of vertices P is the x1 comma y1 and Q is the minus c upon a comma 0 and R is the 0 comma minus c by b. Okay, students, we find the area of triangle PQR by using 1 by 2 base into height. Area of triangle PQR is 1 by 2 base into height. Okay, students, here area of triangle PQR is 1 by 2, base is the RQ, base is the RQ and height is the PM. Okay, students, area of triangle PQR is equal to half. Here we find the RQ. RQ is the distance between 2 points Q and R. Okay, students, this implies that RQ equal to x1 minus x2 whole square minus c upon a whole square plus y1 minus y2 whole square c by b whole square. This implies that RQ equal to c square upon a square plus c square upon b square. Okay, students, then we find the RQ equal to c square b square c square b square plus a square c square upon a square b square. This implies that RQ equal to, here we take the common c and a square plus b square upon a square b square. This implies that c upon ab square root a square plus b square. This is a value of RQ. Okay, students, RQ is the distance between 2 points Q and R. Okay, using the formula square root x1 minus x2 whole square plus y1 minus y2 whole square and find the value of RQ. RQ is the c upon AB square root a square plus b square multiply by PM. Okay, students, in a other way we find the area of triangle PQR is equal to 1 by 2 mod of x1 into y2 minus y3 plus x2 y3 minus y1 plus x3 y1 minus y2. Using this formula we find the area of the triangle PQR whose vertices are given that x1 comma y1 x2 comma y2 x3 comma y3. Here x1 comma y1 is the x1 comma y1 and x2 comma y2 is the minus c upon a comma 0. This is the x2 comma y2 and this is the x3 comma y3 vertices of the triangle PQR and we find the area of triangle PQR. Okay students, area of triangle PQR is equal to 1 by 2 mod of x1, here x1, y2 is the student 0 minus y3 is the minus c by b, then we write the c by b. Okay students, plus x2 is the minus c by a into y3 is the minus c by b and minus y1 minus c by b minus y1. Okay students, and plus x3 is the 0 and multiply this is the 0. Okay students, area of triangle PQR is equal to 1 by 2. Here we write the y1 minus y1 minus y2, that means y1. Okay students, y2 is the 0. 1 by 2 mod of cx1 upon b plus c square ab plus c y1 upon a. Okay students, this is the area of triangle PQR is equal to 1 by 2 mod of cx1 upon b plus c square upon ab plus cy1 upon a, which is denoted by 2 and this is a 1. Both are area of triangle PQR. Okay students, then we find the value of PM from 1 and 2 we get both are area of triangle PQR, hence both are equal. 1 by 2 c upon AB into a square plus b square into PM is equal to 1 by 2 mod of cx1 upon b plus c square upon ab plus cy1 upon a. Okay students, this implies that 1 by 2 will be cancelled. C upon AB, a square root a square, b square PM is equal to, here we take the common c. Okay students, x1 upon b plus c upon AB plus c y1 upon a. Okay students, because we take the common c, this equal to c mod of AB ax1 plus c plus by1. Okay students, this equal to c upon AB mod of ax1 plus by1 plus c. Okay students, here c upon AB will be cancelled. This implies that square root a square plus b square PM is equal to mod of ax1 by1 plus c Okay students, then we find the value of Pm. Pm is the value of Pm. Pm is equal to mod of Ax1 plus By1 plus C upon square root A square plus B square. Okay students, which is a formula of distance of a point from a line Ax plus By plus C equal to 0. Okay, you understood the derivation of the formula of distance of the point from a line. Okay students, in this way we find the coordinate of point Q and coordinate point R, and then find the area of the triangle PQR by using this formula, and area of the triangle by using this formula. Both are equal. Then further we find the value of Pm. Pm is the mod of Ax1 plus By1 plus C upon square root A square plus B square. Okay students, this is a formula of distance of a point from a line. The coordinate of the point is the x1 comma y1, and the equation of the line is Ax plus By plus C equal to 0. Distance between two parallel lines. Okay students, we find the distance between two parallel lines in a Cartesian plane. Two parallel lines L1 and L2, y equal to mx plus c1 and y equal to mx plus c2. We find the distance between two parallel lines. Okay students, here line first is the y equal to mx plus c1 and line second is the y equal to mx plus c2. We draw perpendicular distance. D. Okay students, let y equal to mx plus c1 and y equal to mx plus c2 are two parallel lines. Then we find distance D. D is the distance between two parallel line. Okay students, we find the coordinate of point A. Point A is the lies on x axis, then y coordinate of this point will be 0. Okay students, we put y equal to 0 in y equal to mx plus c1. We put y equal to 0 in y equal to mx plus c1. Okay students, this implies that 0 equal to mx plus c1. This implies that mx is equal to minus c1. This implies that x equal to minus c1 upon m. Then the coordinate of point A is minus c1 upon m comma 0. Okay students, we find the distance of a point A from a line L2 using formula A mod of ax1 plus by1 plus c upon square root a square plus b square. Okay students, using this formula we find the value of d. Here point is this and equation of the line y equal to mx plus c2. Okay students, this implies that mx minus y plus c2 equal to 0. Equation of the line is this. Find distance of point minus c1 upon m comma 0 from line mx minus y plus c2 equal to 0. Okay students, d equal to mod of ax1 m into c1 upon m minus y1, that means 0, and plus c2 upon square root m square plus minus 1 square. Okay students, using this formula d equal to mod of m will be cancelled, c2 minus c1 upon c2 minus c1 upon 1 plus m square. Okay students, y equal to mx plus c1 and y equal to mx plus c2. This is the distance between two parallel lines, y equal to mx plus c1 and y equal to mx plus c2. This is also written as d equal to mod of c1 minus c2 upon square root 1 plus m square, which is also formula of distance between two parallel lines. Okay students, lines are y equal to mx plus c1 and y equal to mx plus c2. Here we observe that mod of c2 minus c1 equal to mod of c1 minus c2. Why students? Mod of minus c1 minus c2, this is also written as this. This implies that c1 minus c2, then mod of c2 minus c1 is equal to mod of c1 minus c2. You will try to find distance between two parallel line ax plus by plus c1 equal to 0 and ax plus by plus c2 equal to 0. You will find the distance between two parallel lines. The distance between two parallel lines, is the d equal to mod of c1 minus c2 upon square root a square plus b square. You will find to try the distance between two parallel lines ax plus by plus c1 equal to 0, ax plus by plus c2 equal to 0. Okay students, we solve the example number 19. Example number 19. Find the distance between the parallel lines 3x minus 4y plus 7 equal to 0 and 3x minus 4y plus 5 equal to 0. To find distance between two parallel lines 3x minus 4y plus 7 equal to 0 and 3x minus 4y plus 5 equal to 0. Using this formula, d equal to mod of c1 minus c2 upon square root a square plus b square, d equal to mod of, here c1 is the 7 and c2 is the 5 upon mod of 3 square plus minus 4 square. Okay students, this implies that d equal to 5, this implies that d equal to 2 upon square root 25, this implies that d equal to 2 upon 5. Okay students, 2 upon 5 is the distance between two parallel lines 3x minus 4y plus 7 equal to 0, 3x minus 4y plus 5 equal to 0, which is your answer. Okay, in our next lecture we will solve the exercise 10.3. Thank you students.